National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a snow squall warning for Huron County in north-central Ohio, Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County in north-central Ohio, southeastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Kelly's Island to near Castalia to near New Regal, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow, gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. The snow will impact motorists traveling on Interstate 90, Route 2, and Highway 6 and 20. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Tiffin, Norwalk, Western Vermilion, Bellevue, Clyde, Willard, New London, Plymouth, Green Springs, Northern Milan, Wakeman, Bloomville, Castalia, New Regal, Greenwich, Monroeville, Attica, and Berlin Heights. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.